India has been forced to clarify its absence from the BRICS naval exercise in South African waters, exposing New Delhi's selective and externally influenced approach to multilateral military engagements. According to Kashmir media service, analysts say the decisions reflect pressure from the United States, which views BRICS featuring China, Russia and Iran as a rival bloc challenging Washington's global dominance. The exercise Will for Peace 2026, held from January 9 to 16, 2026, in South African waters, was initiated by South Africans with participation from selected BRICS members. It includes China, Russia and Iran. India, citing a lack of institutional approval, chose not to participate, raising questions about its commitment when it comes to BRICS grouping, even as it assumes the organization's rotating presidencies. Experts says India's selective engagement strategy exposing a foreign policy caught between ambitions of regional influence and subservience to Western interests. By skipping the naval drill, India signals that its BRICS presidency may be more about optics than meaningful military or strategic collaboration. The incident underscores how New Delhi is prioritizing alignment with the US and NATO over multilateral cohesion in alternative global forums, raising doubts about its ability to act independently when it comes to evolving multipolar order.